Welcome back to ProjectNipponX. Today, we are stepping inside a Japanese factory where the future of artificial intelligence devices is being created. Japan has always been known for precision engineering, advanced electronics, and innovative technology, and now its next generation of AI-powered devices is pushing the limits of what machines can do. From the outside, these futuristic AI devices showcase Japan's famous attention to design and detail. The exterior features sleek materials, compact structures, premium finishes, and smart designs built for modern lifestyles. Whether it's AI assistants, smart home devices, wearable technology, or intelligent mobile products, Japanese engineers focus on creating products that are not only powerful, but also elegant and user-friendly. Every component is carefully designed to combine technology with everyday convenience. Inside the factory, advanced robotics, automated production systems, and skilled engineers work together to create these next-generation devices. Japanese manufacturing is famous for accuracy, and every circuit, sensor, and AI component goes through strict quality testing. These factories use advanced machines to assemble tiny electronic parts, while artificial intelligence helps improve production speed, efficiency, and reliability. The combination of human expertise and smart automation makes Japan one of the world's most respected technology manufacturing leaders. When it comes to performance, future AI devices from Japan are designed to deliver faster processing, smarter decision-making, and seamless interaction. Powerful AI chips allow these devices to understand commands, analyze information, and adapt to user needs. Compared with many USA technology companies that focus heavily on AI software and cloud systems, Japan continues to specialize in combining powerful AI with high-quality hardware and practical real-world applications. The performance of these devices can include advanced cameras, voice recognition, intelligent automation, energy efficiency, and improved connectivity. Whether used for personal technology, business solutions, healthcare, or smart environments, Japanese AI devices are designed to make everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Pricing depends on the type of device and technology level. Premium AI-powered products can range from several $100s to thousands of dollars, while consumer-focused devices are expected to become more affordable as production increases. USA and Japan technology markets continue to compete, creating faster innovation and better products for customers worldwide. Japan's AI technology future is not just about creating smarter machines. It is about building a world where humans and technology work together. From advanced factories to intelligent devices in our homes, Japan is helping shape the next era of innovation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ProjectNipponX for more amazing technology discoveries, future gadgets, and innovations from around the world.